So welcome here at Welbedacht, which means well thought out in High Dutch. It was farm and it was granted. You're very privileged to be in a club that's 150 years old, and it so came that we had to make you a wine for the 150 years. Now obviously, you know, when your club became 100 years old, was the wonderful 9-3, you know, victory over New Zealand, Ghanegli, and you know, Max Boyce's wonderful song, 9-3, which more became known for his wonderful line, the day the pubs ran dry. This is a Merlot Mourvedre Syrah blend, and it's sometimes very difficult to make a wine like this that can drink nice and easy now, but can last. Merlot is a wonderful grape. It's like the Sauvignon Blanc it's like a fly-off, you know, it's a bit iffy here and there and whatever, you know, it's very difficult always to have a good game. I'm sorry to the fly-offs, because there was Sauvignon Blancs like that. But it's a beautiful Merlot that put in here, the Mourvedre, nice mid-palate, and the Syrah a bit more dark fruit and tannins.
We made that 1872 Scarlets wine. That was all made in the cellar, and it's all from grapes from the farm. One thing that's very unique in the cellar, or where we're standing now, are these open cement fermenters, and it's very much like the old traditional French cement. In the old days, they didn't really have stainless steel tanks. The reason why they're open on top, we mix it physically by hand like the old days. So on the other side, we've got the more modern conventional method of a stainless steel tank that's just open on top. But because it's cylindrical form, you can't press it down by hand. Yeah, so now I think you're going straight into the tasting of the 1872, the Scarlets wine, that were obviously all made in the cellar, all from our grapes. And yeah, it's a very nice blend of Merlot, Mourvedre, and Shiraz. I actually made it. Yeah, after COVID, or in COVID, obviously, a winemaker, obviously everything was closed here as well, so a winemaker didn't keep his hands on the wines and a lot of the tanks, so my dad said I must take over, so that vintage was from wine into the bottle was just my hand labor. So yeah, you'll probably, I hope you enjoy it.
So when you get back, Sporting Wine Club's got the wine, and obviously I hope you guys can get some of the wine and drink it proudly, and we were very glad that we could form part of this, and also for you guys today. There's a lot of wine here. Do me a favor, let's see if we can drink it up. It's less that we can send to the UK. Thanks very much. That's all I've got to say. Cheers.